Turning to Commitment 2024 coverage this morning, the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee is less than 12 days away. The legal fight over where protesters will be allowed is happening in court right now. The security zone for the RNC includes two areas for demonstrations, one north of Fiserv Forum at Haymarket Square and another south of the Baird Center at Zeidler Union Square. 12 News' Madison Moore joins us live outside of the federal courthouse near Wisconsin in Jackson. And Madison, oral arguments are underway right now.
Right, Jaron. So the federal courthouse is actually just on a break right now. They took a short break, but what has been going on all morning is oral arguments from the ACLU. That is the group that is representing the coalition to march on the RNC that has brought this lawsuit against the city of Milwaukee. The ACLU almost done wrapping up those oral arguments. And after that break, we're going to hear from the city of Milwaukee, who is a defendant in this case, as well as from the Secret Service that has just been added as a defendant in this lawsuit. Now, the lawsuit argues that Milwaukee's ordinances governing parades and protests violate the First Amendment by limiting the locations where they can be. The coalition to march on the RNC says the two designated protest zones, as you mentioned, Jaron, Haymarket Square and Zeidler Union Square, are not within sight and sound of Fiserv Forum. That's the main location for the Republican National Convention. Now, in court today, the attorneys for the ACLU said the city did grant the coalition a permit to march at noon on July 15th. That's the first day of the convention, but they argue it's not on the route they've proposed. The coalition holding a news conference this morning right before court started.
When you say sight and sound for you guys, what exactly does that mean? What streets are you looking to march on?
So where we're looking to march specifically outside of the credentialed zone, at least. I mean, if it was up to us, we would be up to the front doors, right? But outside of the credentialed zone, we have been looking at Highland and MLK specifically, right outside of Maters. And we did ask for this and ultimately weren't able to come to an agreement with the city.
Now, again, those oral arguments are ongoing right now. They're on that break, as I said. They're going to continue this afternoon, but it's unclear how soon a decision could come down from the Honorable Judge Brett Ludwig. At this point, we are waiting for those oral arguments to continue, but the coalition did tell me this morning that even if they do not win this lawsuit, if they do not get that permit to march within sight and sound of the convention, they still plan to do so come July 15th.
And the first day of the convention now just 11 days away. Madison Moore reporting live for us this morning in downtown Milwaukee. Madison, thank you.